Hello friends, this is Gautam. Welcome to Forehead Vlogs. So today's vlog, as you see, this is Axor helmets. So let's unbox Axor helmet. So as you see, this is the box. See, that's the model. As you guys see, Axor full face helmet with 2 years warranty, aerodynamics ABS shell. So as you see, that is EC certified, and that is European certified, that is EC 2.2 22.05, and USA certified, that is DOT, coming with 2 years warranty. So let's unbox. So once I have already unboxed the box, so let's open the box. So as you see, so here comes the helmet with the bag. As you see, that is a grey bag, which is very unique look. So let's open the helmet. So there is a logo, the name and the logo on this side. So here comes the helmet, the Venomous edition. As you see, Venomous. That's a blue color helmet. So here comes the MRP price from where I have took. As you see, there I got an spoiler, anti-scratch resistance, then fabricated ABS, street style Bluetooth compatibility, Axor helmets, fully removable and washable light. So as you see, so inside we got something. So there are some stickers. Let's see what are the stickers. So here I got a small spoiler, which is for the vent, and already there is a spoiler, very big spoiler. So this you see, that's removable. Later on I'll remove and show. So let's see the very unique look. So there you get their 3D logo, that is X. So you see, so here you see DOT certification, AC certification, R22/05. So almost that's 1 kg 500 grams, 50 plus or minus. A little bit tough. Okay, let's see the stickers. So before we open, so first one we got Axor sticker, then that is for the blood group, as you see, minus O positive, and here we got some reflectors. So in the reflector, as you see, 4 reflectors are there. Okay, so we got 3 stickers and 1 small spoiler. So here on this helmet we got air vents over here. As you see, this is openable, and this side 1 air vent for the top. As you see, there is eye over here, and here chin vent. So up and down, up for lock and down for open, as you see. So as you see, so here in this we got some D-type locks, which is very easy and very safety. So here is the sun visor. As you see, there is a switch in the side mount. So once it's switch it done, so the sun visor comes out, and switch towards front, the sun visor goes back. See. So this is an anti-fog visor. So let's remove this. Where is the removing? Yeah. So as you see, there is an anti-fog visor which is removable. So there is an thin pleat. So as I am removing it, you can remove it very slowly. So I have removed it. So as you see, very crystal clear. So let's see from inside also. As you see it from inside, very clean and clear. This is the view from inside the helmet. So I'm moving my camera. So these liners are removable. Very easy way to remove. So here you see some. Yeah. See, these liners are easy to remove. So you get some locks inside, and there is an Bluetooth compatibility. So speaker compatibility over here. As you see here, there is an space over this side and that side also. So let's open this side. Okay, so you see there is some space. Yeah. So and there even the wire lines also goes. So as you see, this is the look you get. So let me show you how the look is. So almost you see there is some light reflected backside on. So you see. Perfectly fit, fully tight. So here comes the sun visor. So it's backside. So it's looking pretty cool. There is an vent. So even there is a protecting guard at that. So